Hello, my name is Nicholas Chook, and this is my ePortfolio tour and reflection. This is my home page, and for my homepage picture, I have put one of the Salt's tall ships. I've actually sailed on this one. It's called the Pacific Swift, and it went on my homepage to represent me because sailing means a lot to me, and going on large boats such as the Swift really puts teamwork and moving out of your comfort zone in a priority position, which I feel is really important. I also feel like the journey and the process of journeying on large sailboats like this are really representative of life in general, going on a large voyage, meeting new people, going places, doing fun stuff, doing hard stuff. You enjoy a lot of tragedies and comedies. Now, here you can see the layout of my ePortfolio. I preferred this layout because it puts the home page as well as all the individual pages in an easy to reach spot, and it groups all the units together but still makes them easy to find. My best projects would definitely be my schizophrenia project right here and my Unit 2 projects, the earning income projects, as well as the cover letter and resume. I have made significant changes to the earning income project and the schizophrenia project, both of which I feel were quite enjoyable. Another thing I found quite enjoyable was the taxes section of this course. I really feel like that was something which was good to learn and that I'm really glad I learned. Again, the cover letter and resume were another two things I really enjoyed just because they're so important to know how to do in life, and as a bit of a surprise to me, I learned that I actually do some fun stuff and look pretty good on a cover letter and resume. I wasn't super sold on the online discussions. Personally, I just went on, wrote something, and left, and I know I didn't really put in the time to make it as good as I could, but I still didn't really feel the point in them, and so I guess it was really more my fault. Again, my name is Nicholas Chook, and this has been my ePortfolio tour and reflection.